It was a sunny Saturday morning in the cheerful town of Toontown, and Mickey and Minnie were enjoying their breakfast. As they looked outside, they noticed something troubling. The park was covered in litter. The playground, the benches, even the pond were filled with trash. Mickey frowned. "Oh no, Minnie. Our beautiful park is a mess. We have to do something." Minnie smiled and said, "Let's organize a community cleanup. If we all work together, we can make the park sparkle again." Mickey and Minnie quickly called their friends, Goofy, Donald, Daisy, and Pluto. They all agreed to help and decided to meet at the park with gloves, bags, and big smiles, ready to work. When they arrived, Mickey and Minnie were amazed to see even more friends from the neighborhood had joined in, eager to clean the park. As they all worked together, Minnie encouraged the group. "Teamwork makes the dream work. We can do this." Everyone spread out, picking up litter, sweeping the paths, and even planting flowers to make the park extra beautiful. Goofy, being Goofy, had a little trouble balancing the trash bags, but he made everyone laugh with his clumsy efforts. Donald was busy grumbling about the mess but still worked hard, while Daisy and Pluto helped plant colorful flowers near the playground. After a few hours of teamwork and laughter, the park was spotless. Everyone gathered in a circle to admire their hard work. Mickey smiled proudly and said, "Look at what we did together. This is what community is all about, helping each other and taking care of our home." Minnie added, "And the best part is we had fun while making our town a better place." As the sun began to set, Mickey and Minnie led everyone in a round of applause, and they celebrated with a picnic in the clean, beautiful park. They realized that by working together, they not only cleaned up the park, but also strengthened their community bond.